Hello guys, so I've been using MyCase legal software for a while now, so here's my honest take on it from my own experience. If you're a Shopify store owner, think of it like a centralized dashboard that keeps all your customer interactions, orders, and financial data in one place. Something that saves you time and reduces errors when you're juggling multiple clients or sales channels. Right off the bat, I have to say the client portal is a game changer. Being able to securely share documents without relying on email made my workflow so much smoother. I manage multiple clients at once, and MyCase does a solid job of keeping everything organized, from tracking billable hours to preparing invoices, and even letting clients pay directly through the portal. For Shopify store owners, this is similar to having a system where your invoices, order confirmations, and customer communications are all automated and centralized, reducing manual follow-ups. That said, sometimes I wish there were more customization options for workflows and deadlines, but they're constantly improving, so it's not a huge deal. For instance, if you run a Shopify store, you might wish for more flexibility in automating specific reminders for pending orders or subscription billing. But the improvements they release regularly help make the software more adaptable over time. The software itself feels really comfortable to use. It's surprisingly intuitive for something this powerful. Reports are useful and easy to generate, and I often find myself referring back to them when planning my week or reviewing past cases. I did notice that the two-way calendar integration can be a bit tricky sometimes, but once you figure it out, it's incredibly convenient. Similarly, in a Shopify context, think of it as being able to sync order deadlines, ad campaigns, and inventory updates across platforms, so you don't miss important timelines. Customer support has been excellent too. I've had direct interactions with Leslie, Skelly, Drew, and Kat all day, and every time they've been helpful, patient, and quick to solve my issues. That level of support makes a big difference, especially when you're juggling multiple cases, or, in the Shopify world, multiple stores and marketing channels where timely answers can prevent revenue loss. One thing that stood out for me is the billing and payment side. It's straightforward and feels secure, although I personally wish there was a way to remove certain buttons for client payments via credit card if you wanted a cleaner interface. Even with that minor annoyance, the efficiency it adds to my day-to-day work is unmatched. For Shopify store owners, a similar system might be a payment processor that handles multiple gateways while keeping the checkout simple for customers, removing friction while maintaining control. I'd say the value for money is solid, considering all the features it packs in, and it has definitely saved me time compared to other desktop-based solutions I've tried in the past. For small business owners, the lesson is that investing in a reliable, all-in-one platform can pay off in time savings and fewer errors, even if the upfront cost is slightly higher. Overall, MyCase strikes a nice balance between functionality and ease of use. It keeps my client information secure, tracks everything I need for billing, and makes communication smoother. It's not perfect, but for anyone looking for legal practice management software that just works reliably while giving you a professional edge, MyCase is a solid choice. You can think of it like a well-integrated Shopify tool that automates key processes so you can focus on growing your business rather than managing spreadsheets and emails. I honestly can't see myself switching anytime soon because it fits naturally into my workflow and gives me confidence that nothing will slip through the cracks. And for anyone running multiple clients or stores, that reliability and peace of mind is invaluable.